I should quit trading because of manipulations at its finest, even though we know there it is. But yeah, this is pretty wild.
I thought that was your ringtone for a minute, Shorty.
That's my actual ringtone from downstairs. I should quit trading because of manipulations at its finest, even though. So let's see. So do we mark SPY levels on this one? Yeah, it's been much better. Thank God. He's finally sleeping.
I was gonna say he's not crying right now.
Yeah, he's sleeping finally, man.
That's good.
This one's gone. This one's gone. We think he's talking. I swear. Sometimes he just says like hi. Like now he's just saying hi. But it could be us being crazy.
Pretty sure he's saying he wants to trade.
So my younger son, that's what he told me last night. They asked him in school, what do you want to be when you grow up? He said, I want to be a trader. Okay, so here's a little demand zone based stuff yesterday. Seems like a lot of volume came in on this shape here. So if we break this level here, what is this? 455.71. You can definitely short it for $1. You have the value area high here. Let me just go 1 hour. Kind of cover this in other one. So this is a big level here. You guys see that we crossed the 456 is fairly large. 470. 467. Wow. This is the level I think you're talking about earlier. Right?
What's that?
Drew? This level 462.
Yeah, 462.75. January 14th, VPOC.
Yeah.
Might be slightly different on TOS, but that's on TradingView.
Yeah. You said 114, right? That's what I have.
Yeah, 114. I have to say,
above that too.
Taking a few days off of trading feels good.
Oh, always, man. If you can control not trading, then you're in a good state.
January 12th, VPOC at 471.01.
January 12th. Yeah, I don't know if that's VPOC here.
Nah, 471.
Yeah, that's what I have here. So
it's not a VPOC anymore?
So you see here on Wednesday,
mm-hmm.
It went, and then this was touched here. It tapped it.
It never left it, did it?
No, it was there. They ended here. They came back. I mean, it never revisited, correct? Ever since then.
Yeah.
So it could. But this is the major distribution here. You don't even need to put a VPOC in it. Just put this line here. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow.
No, I'm just trying to find like middle ground here. And I'm not trying to build bias for us while trading, but definitely want to know these levels.
Oh yeah, I see that. That's around what, like the high is 480. Yeah. Low is like 474-ish.
So Tesla.
Oh yeah, you're right. That's not a VPOC anymore. Sorry.
Tesla, I don't know, man. I'm really not looking to take a long, but if anybody else can. You see how expensive the contracts are now on calls versus puts?
Yeah, crazy.
All right, let's see what we got. I'm watching LMT here. I think it's gonna pop right at open. Yeah, on Qs we're hitting this important level here, so I just want to show you guys. So if you look at Qs, oh my god, and then oh my god, so much on this chart. That is a lot. I don't even have levels past. All right, go away all of it. This is a good level here. You guys see the 372 level?
Yeah.
Pretty good 3x POC here. I mean, think about it. What changed in the past 1 month? Or past 10 days? Let's call it 10 days, sorry. War's
Nothing.
still going on. They're still involved. Interest rates got up.
Actually, if anything's changed, it's things have gotten worse. Like
I think your
inflation.
food supply is going to get worse. I honestly believe you're not close to entering crisis on food yet. Just be ready for it. We'll see.
Do you have emergency food, Shorty?
Yeah. I grew up in the war, man.
No, I know.
All we do is prep for shit like that.
Do you have guns, Shorty?
A lot of them.
Okay.
Fool me once. If I had those when I was in Europe in the war, I'd still have my parents.
I'm sorry, man.
Oh, no, it's all good. It's just part of life, right? I mean, now you look at these crooks coming up with wars. They're not sending their own; they send your kid.
Yep.
And then those leaders get the medals, not the soldiers.
Exactly.
It's true.
No, I appreciate soldiers. I just think they're fighting somebody else's ego wars rather than true wars.
Yep. I feel the same way. Support the troops. I don't support war, though.
Yeah, fuck the war. Okay, so we just charted this in like what? How long? Like 5 minutes? Not even. Yep. Now we have some kind of plan. So 372.54. I'll definitely look to stab at a short there at that level. Let me look at the dailies real quick. Alright, I mean, somebody's stupid here, but not me. Yeah, you're not gonna fool me on this one. Look at the 3-day chart, guys, please. Just look at the volume. Is it visible?
Yeah, it's very visible.
Saw that. Yes, I take that. If you're crossing key resistance points overnight, that tells you a lot. That means you do not have the strength to gap up to make it happen during the trading day, because algos were turned on and everything was trading. Honestly, this 372 is a perfect short level for me. If they want to push it to all-time highs for some reason, I just don't know how you push it another 40 points, which is possible. Nothing is, but look at this volume. 3-day volume is, let's look at the weekly. Okay, we have still a couple of days left, but this is bad. I mean, 3 straight weeks, guys, of whatever you want to call it, running. All right, we're gonna go here. We're gonna go Qs. Qs 370 puts in case you run there. I'll have 365 in case they want to pre-market that. And then we're gonna be looking at, so there's a skew on the June expiry here. So here's your June 17th. Do you guys see this number here?
Yeah.
Do you see the open interest on it?
Yeah, it's huge.
300,000 contracts on it. So, not suggesting anything. I'm just saying that, I mean, you don't write contracts if there's no demand for it. Right?
Yeah.
So, I'm actually gonna cue that one up.
AMC's moving pre-market.
I don't see it yet on volume. All right, let's see how we open. I have some crap here. Theoretical. We're gonna look at 4650s on this screen. Let's switch this to hashes. Oh yeah, if we can get these at 299, 4650s on the dip, but let's see what happens. Apples here, LMTs here. I'm watching LMT like a hawk right now. And then also, Apple, you can go. Talked about this one briefly. I have enough to chart it on this. Oh, look how, so if this is dipped to $80, what do you think you should do here on, look at this, just look at MU. This is a really good reward to risk trade right here. You guys see it?
I mean, yeah, you talked about that.
So this is
that
this
BPOC.
is gold. Yeah, this is golden here if it dips, guys. Look at this. Dips to this. You have PVH, previous day close, and you have this VPOC here. I mean, this is pretty freaking good for me. And this lines up with this VPOC here. I really dislike charting and toss. Really dislike.
AMD just sold off like a point down to the VWAP.
Yeah, I just still stand on my theory that all of these dumps is for the hedge funds to get out and not lose money. They were heavily shorted on some stuff, and they knew they needed help from other officials to stay alive, or they threatened them with shit. We will bring the whole market down, blah, 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 if you don't do this. Because, I mean, you closed 2 hedge funds or almost bankrupted them with AMC. So here we go. Look at this. There goes a sell on Tesla. So watch AMU like load up 84s, 83s, then 8 up 82. So I have all of these loaded up here, and I'm just going to watch, see what we do. Oh, let's see. You got 50 seconds or 10 seconds coming in. Let's see what we got. See what you got here. And so I keep CPC add, and I usually keep Wix on bottom top right. Here, let's see what we got. So we missed the bounce on Wix here. Look at 5 Wix from the top. Oh yeah. All right, watch MU here.
It just tapped 81.
Look at that bounce off of 81. Right on. Let's see what it does. I want it lower. I want it here at 80.
There you go.
Here it comes. Get ready. Tesla's gonna bounce here for all those Tesla lovers. ES is ripping. Golly, I'm getting all of those notifications that we marked from the watch list right now. INGR go long, TGT go long. And this is a fake out candle though. See what we do here. There goes Tesla. I'm not in mark my levels on ES. I'm kind of trading blind. I have to do it. Sorry, guys.
The contract prices on MU really aren't moving much.
Mm-mm.
AMC is actually ripping.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Means the market's going to come down. Oh, what happened to LMT? Oh, it's still not ripping here. Watch LMT, guys. This thing always does this run 435, 450. Always does this shit. I'm going to watch it right here over 435.
I'm sorry, you said it goes from 435 to what?
450 all the time. AMD hit that rejection perfectly here. We still don't have that 120 level. SPX still going. Where's Earth?
Looks like MU's bouncing there.
Yeah, I don't trust yet. I don't trust the market just now. I think the market pulls it back. Yep, see?
Yeah.
Amazon's gonna come fucking down here. Okay, what did I tell you guys on watch list on Saturday or Sunday? Did I say we're going to the 3410 level? Here we are, 3410. Okay, let's see if MU contracts calm down a bit.
Yeah, AMC's ripping faces. It's at 33 now.
Okay, look at this candle here on ES on 5 minutes.
It's an ugly candle.
Watch MU here. Watch MU. I'm watching 84s right here. Small account here. Let's see what we do.
Yeah, GME and AMC are just flying right now.
Is ER today on MU? Does anyone know? Not stop. I'm watching MU here, guys. Switching to 1 minute to see if I can catch the right entry on it.
Wow.
There we go. That's what we wanted. Okay, I got into MU here. 170.
How are you in at 170?
170, 172. Sorry. Yeah, 170. And look at that.
For 84s?
85s.
Oh, okay.
Look at the bounce, guys, that we talked about right here. Here we go. Patience bait. There we go. Did anyone grab it?
I missed it because I was confused. I thought you said you were getting 84s and then you got them for 170.
Yeah, well, I got these. These were moving better. They went from 2.4 to 1.6. So for me, that was a better reward. But that's okay. You can grab whatever you like. 84s, 85s. I don't know. I don't care what you grab.
Yeah,
these
but
are at $2 right now. Yeah.
I got confused at how you're buying 84s for 170 when on mine it's like the cheapest I could have got them was 210, and I'm like, what the hell?
There we go. So we got the fill at 1.7. They're at 2.10 right now, guys. Split seconds. Alert on Kroger. Okay, I think Kroger wants to come down. Yep. Kroger short. Oh my God. Holy mother of Kroger candles. What did I tell somebody when they asked me go long on Kroger? Look at this.
Wow.
I said, no, not till it touches this level. You don't want to go. And now it's dipping to it. I'm trying to get a fill in LMT, guys. LMT right here, trying to get a fill. I just got shit fill, so I got 215. Don't go for it. 440s. Look at that rejection right here. Very close to our level 4625 on ES. Oh, lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Come on down, yes. Kroger, dude, that dump on Kroger, you guys see it?
Yeah, it's sick. What contracts did you take on LMT?
LMT, I grabbed 440s, but I'm under the water right off the bat.
Yeah, the spread's pretty ugly.
Yeah, I fucked up. This is where Tesla should bounce. And if ES is going to hold anything, should be that 4,600 right here. Otherwise, it's in trouble. Look at Q struggling here. VIX is trying to turn here. Ad's still kind of confused. Come on, MU. There goes MU.
MU gave us a nice little retest. I actually hopped in.
You did? Yeah. That was a good entry there. See if it comes back down. Yeah, VIX is pumping here. Yeah, see it?
Yeah.
You don't want it to reclaim 20. That's the key. Okay, Tesla might bounce here. AMD is getting some volume. I'm watching MU 83s here. If it breaks this, I would say 81.37. I think we're going for the 45.93 on ES right here. Look at Tesla here, the bounce. Watch AMD. AMD is approaching that. I'm watching AMD here, guys, at 120.41, this cluster. There it goes. Well, early on AMD, but let's see. We got 122s here.
What was your fill on AMD?
Yeah, so it's just mass.
AMD, I got 222.
Same as me.
Yeah, I think we get a little bounce here. Is MU earnings today? Does anyone know, please? Anyone? No.
I mean,
Yeah, the earning is today after hours.
I think they rip it. We're up a little bit on these AMDs, not much.
AMD and MU are pretty bipolar right now.
Come on, MU, go. There it goes. There goes AMD. Come on, bounce.
There goes AMD.
Yeah, 2.5. Whoever got it, I don't know how many of you grabbed that one, but I'm expecting it to test that 123.4, so you can get over this VWAP here. That's where we reject. Oh, come on. Would not be shocked if they took the stop losses out by going to 120.15, but let's see. Maybe not. Contract should be going to 2.8 now. 2.83, 2.89. Should be good.
Yeah, Shorty.
10% AMD. Yep.
It says CRM is ripping.
CRM. Oh, yeah. My level is 222, so once it gets over that, I'll take a look at it. See how it rejected that level almost perfectly there.
Yep.
Okay, here comes a retest again on MU. I think AMD is going to tap that 120 right here. Did anyone grab LMT?
I haven't because of those spreads.
Yeah, it might pop here. There goes AMD here. Watching AMD again. Tesla just nasty candle down. Back into the channel. Next level 1055. If it breaks this right here, 1087, we go 1055. Look at VIX, guys. Top right.
Wow.
There goes AMD tap. Okay, this is probably a good spot to re-add right now. I'll add 122 calls here. Light. And there goes LMT. If it breaks 435, they're gonna be in the money, and these should print about 200–300%. Yeah, this looks like a good bounce on MU here, guys. It's gonna be here.
What was your fill on LMT, Shorty?
Fill was pretty shitty. 215.
Okay. I got 195.
That's pretty good. That's the market right now. Because if it breaks this 435, guys, these contracts go to about $6. I would say 420 first.
Hey, Shorty, I just had to jump on a call, so I missed it. Did you end up staying in or getting out of your AMD calls?
I'm still in. I mean, we're still, if it breaks this level here, 119, then I would look to close it. There's a lot of support here, right? So, like, see where we are. So watch this level here now, 120.24 as previous day high. So what it can do here is it's gonna kind of play here, play, and then we'll probably go here.
I actually took profits on AMD at the VWAP and then I re-entered on this dip.
Yeah. It's a good way to do it. There goes AMD right off that level. So MU has a double bottom here. SPY's in trouble now. It has 455 looking at it. I grabbed some 90 MU calls here for fun. I'm gonna swing 5 of them through the ER.
Wow.
NQ's holding 15,120. That was $100 drop on NQ from the top. There goes AMD. That was a good buy here, guys. And AMD, as I mentioned, I doubled down on this level. I don't know if anyone followed or not.
Yeah, I told you I bought back in on that dip.
Man, this is what I told you guys in pre-market. This is probably what's going to happen, if you guys remember. Look here. AMD looks potential dip to 120.19 bounce from there. You just have to be patient and look where we bounce. Bounce 30 cents away, and here comes explosion. Contract at 2.3. If we break the VWAP now, that would be good.
MU's trying to bounce.
Yeah, I think MU will get it. We'll start going. So I would expect AMD to have another comeback right here, as this low line shows. Come back, hit it, and then go higher. I think gold looks good here, guys. Yeah, gold was good, 176. Missed it.
There goes AMD.
Yeah, I think we might get that push we're waiting for. I was expecting another dump here to retest this, but maybe not. I mean, I don't care.
There goes
That
MU.
Yeah. Did anyone grab those 90s with me or no?
I did.
What was your fill, 68?
I think 71.
Hmm.
Oh, shoot. I just got stopped out of AMD.
Oh, that's too close. Hmm.
Yeah. That's why I said, oh, shoot. Oh, well. Yeah, on those 90s, my fill was 71.
Yeah, I think mine was 72. I got one here, 5 on the bigger account. I'm not risking a lot through the ER, but I'm gonna swing it. Swing these through ER because this stock's been beat down. I mean, and if what do you call it? Shortages are true. Look at this. I mean, this is just 30 minutes, I believe. So look at the daily. I mean, from 100 to 80 to 60, that's about 32% loss. The last time they had ER, let's see, they beat it. And we ran from 83 to 100.
LMT.
Oh, there goes LMT. I told you guys, it's gonna go. I'm not selling it till it hits 4.8. Did I get a shitty fill? Fuck yeah, I got a shitty fill. But hey, somebody's gonna buy it from me at a shitty fill. I don't know who that lucky person will be, but I'll find out. Watch MU here. I mean, you guys see the basing right here, right at the demand. If you're not comfortable, then wait for 81.05. And here it comes. What did I say is going to happen on AMD? You need to touch it again.
Target is the 122 for your first.
Yeah. And then 123 on the AMD. 123.8. It's the only semi that's been lagging when you think about it, right? I know NVIDIA is strong, but I think AMD in terms of processing, I would pick AMD over Intel, me personally, any time of the day.
There goes AMD.
Yeah, if it breaks the sweep up, we're getting the 123.38, and that's where I'm going to sell that contract. And it's getting very close. This might be quick, guys, so that's why.
There it goes.
There it goes. MU going. This one's going. There we go. Contracts at 2.4. My other fill was 196 or 198 on the bigger account on AMD. It's not bad. Come on, break it. Look at gold, guys. I'm telling you, gold is going to rip. The more you print money, the more you're talking about all these bailouts, and this is going to continue higher. But this does not work out in U.S. favor. You guys understand that?
Yep.
The gold. Because we don't have the most gold anymore.
Nope.
Our President Nixon is to thank for that.
You didn't buy gold though, right?
I'm sorry?
You didn't buy gold, right?
No, he just removed the backing of the dollar by the gold.
No. I said you. You
Do I
didn't
buy
get in
gold?
gold.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't. No, I missed the entry. I don't know why I didn't have the alert for 175, 176. I do buy physical gold.
Yeah, no. Yeah, of course. That's a given.
Yeah, we're setting a nice base here. It's almost like a J hook on SPX. If it does happen, we're going 4,700.
My parents have a ton of gold and silver.
Yeah, I think it's important because when money doesn't work, barter does.
If LMT goes to 6, I'm going to be on a plane to kiss you, Shorty.
I'm pretty sure we're going to sell it at 6. Look at Kroger. So we talked about that level being super duper important, guys. Look at this. I don't know who asked me, should I go long here? So there's no way in hell you go long. So now watch the rejection right here, 56.01. Look what happens in LMT now. You
Yeah,
see
it's
what I'm
rippy.
talking about, guys? Well, look at the gappy here.
Yep.
So we entered a gap zone now, and good night. Come on, money. So now you have pretty much $10 gap here. And if you add the VPR, it should tell you the same here.
Wow.
There you go. So now it's just basically patience. You just wait. Tomorrow gaps. Contracts are going to move here shortly. I mean, the ask is already at 3. People are not willing to sell it below 3 here.
Yeah.
Is this the stop on AMD here? Come down and then go. SPY is really weak here, guys, just FYI. So it could be that 462.87. The supply zone here has been really, really strong. You do not want to go long till we break that 463.5 on SPY. At least me personally, but your guys' choice.
Dude, AMD wants me to hop back in.
Oh yeah. It needs to come back here to 124. You'll lose $30 on that. Yeah, Tesla might flush here, guys. If it breaks this 1087, it's going to go to 1055. Whoever's on the call and you like playing it. My God, look at the VIX printing here on the bull flag. Wow, it just popped. I mean, the market's staying flat according to ads. We're not really buying or selling right here.
Yeah.
And we just went below value area. We're trying to hold it on SPY. Honestly, if it dips below here, if you want to short it, 458.62. If it dips below that, that's pretty much easy money on SPY.
All right, I'm back in AMD.
A little early, but that's okay. So that's what I was talking about, this pump. Now it comes back and then it goes. It needs to take more people out. There it goes. That's what I was expecting. Tick, tick, go. And then this becomes your, what does this become here?
Stop loss.
This becomes your neckline for double bottom here. So exactly what they want right here. Double tab bottom. So look at 5 minutes. There it goes. This will be the double bottom. There it goes. Now we have the chance to rip all the way up. If we don't, then you know you're done. There's no buyers here. Does that make sense to everyone?
Yep.
You have 2 chances to show up. If you don't show up now, you're done. You break below 119.4, Shorty's out too. There goes Tesla to 1055. As I told you guys, it's gonna dip. That was an easy short on SPY here below this level. There's a high chance probability we're going to 455 on SPY. There goes AMD. There goes Tesla, 1055.
Yuck. What is MU doing?
I think they're gonna gap it up, man. Dude, why are you cutting grass at 10 o'clock, dude? What's wrong with you? Alright. Is anyone short SPY off that level?
Mm-mm.
I got 32%. There goes AMD again. So this is your buy again for AMD. Then 119.4 is your stop loss. It's a 3-to-1 trade here. If you take it here, I got more AMD here at 182. Tesla has to touch 1055. Did anyone grab AMD now?
I did, yeah.
Yeah, I did.
185 or what'd you got yet?
187.
That's not bad.
I don't know what my average is 198 right now. But
not bad. There we go. That's what we were looking for right there. AMD almost moving now in our direction. Let's go. Okay, VIX is an ABC pattern, just FYI. I think we might get a relief bounce and a rejection, like here at SPY, 458.62. LMT, one more dollar.
nice.
You rippy. Where's Netflix? I forgot about it. Did it break? Oh, no.
What's up, Shorty?
Big guy.
Okay.
There's Netflix, man. You see how he set that line? Look at the trap here that they did. 386, 381. So it's actually not a bad buy here at 380 on Netflix. Not a bad buy for some calls.
AMD came back to 120 again.
Yeah, it's gonna consolidate for a second. I would not be surprised if we dip to this 119 to get the cycle people of 120 level out and then rip. It's just possible, right? Not many people have this 119.45 level. Let's see. We got full send on ES. See if it's 5 minutes. Nope. Yeah, ES, there's a full send, but I do think he wants to touch that. Remember that 45.67 level from yesterday? Important level. And I think that's where Andy wants to go now. And Tesla wants 1055. Tesla at 1055 is easy buy. Yep, SPY rejected that level we talked about. You see it on the screen. 458.62 broke it, come back, and now it's going down. So if you look at 1 minute, it'll look a little bit cleaner. You know what I'm talking to you guys. Look, came back. Now we're gonna go. Okay, come on. You guys see this? Came down, came back, rejected. Now you're going to 455. All right, here we go. 45.67 on ES. Watch this level, guys. It's gonna bounce, which lines up with the SPY 455 7-ish. You see what they did on AMD here? Drew, you see it?
Yeah.
I think they want that level. They want it back.
1945.
Yep. All right, LMT, I see you. Come on. I think the shorts are afraid of this break right here on LMT. At 435. Or if are you nenting now or just waiting?
Looks like double bottom in 3 minutes.
I still got upstart next week's 140. Anything next week's I'm still holding. I'm just watching the action right now. I see SPX. I'm looking for a bounce right here on this range probably. But it's just 46.30 is too pricey. I'm looking at the 46.
Yeah, VIX is going up, so it's not going to be in our favor right now. I think UPSC is going to bounce here at 110 if anyone's looking for a play. And I think we talked about UPST and watch list. Somebody brought it up. We said over 111.64. It had 125. It hit 120, I guess.
Yeah, 120. I had a resistance around 121 and stuff like that. So that's why I sold. Just rolled just with the profits.
Yeah, watch this level here. 110-ish my bounce. Amazon was just a beauty. Look at this. We talked about it. 34.10. It headed to a penny, and Amazon has room to 33.5 right now. I would actually short Amazon here. Or maybe goes here, 33.7. I just don't see much power in it right now. There goes AMD, that bounce. LMT is very, very close, guys, to filling this gap.
There's a bullish full set on SPY, 5 days, 5 minutes.
On what?
Up on SPY.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Wow, there goes AMD.
Yep. I knew that's what they're doing. I mean, if they did this, it was psych level to get people out, and now it might rip. Yeah, I see SPX full send here as well. Yeah, SPY needs to get over the 460 level. If it closes below it, it's not a good sign. But, you know, that magical last 10 minutes where they pumped the whole market for like $7. It looks like 1073. I didn't have any levels around here on Tesla. 1073 at 1055. Yeah, I think SPY is gonna run here.
Oh, I would appreciate if it takes AMD, MU, and LMT with it.
LMT has an inverse gamma, so be aware of that. NQ was very close to the level, but didn't really touch it yet.
What is LMT doing here?
Oh, it's okay. It's gonna dip here. Probably gonna come back to this demand zone test right here. It's gonna come back to, let's see, watch it at, what level is it? 431.34. Has a trend line and a little demand zone intraday. Oh, they're buying. Wow, they're buying puts here like a tree. There goes AMD. Contracts are at 2 from 182 entry, the latest one. Man, my hands are ice cold.
I had a shop 800 again at 3. It's gonna swing that one. Looks like it held. It's gonna hold.
Man, I just told my boss to fuck off. You have a meeting with me at 5 and you're asking me if all the changes, financial changes, have been made at 9 a.m. the next day. Go fuck yourself. I think we're basing here in spot. There goes MU. Come on, MU.
I'm watching the 4650 call. Come on, load up. Missed the entry. I'm doing 4630 at 6.9.
4630s?
They did.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 5-minute 9 EMA to cross on SPX. It's squeezing here. If it crosses, it's gonna pop. I just don't see it happening yet. This right here, or see it here. I think it really needs to create this trend line, and then you have the ticks here. It's not ready yet. On your VMA. So your VMA on 200 ticks and the 9 EMA is still here. Still not 100% ready yet to pop.
Oh, let's go AMD. Come on.
It needs to break this VWAP, and that's what we anticipated, right? So we said that it was going to most likely do this little up, down. So this is called market makers liquidity sweep here. They dip people below 120. How many people had a stop loss at 120? What do you guys think?
A lot.
Yeah, and look what they did. They cleaned you out by 40 cents. Here comes SPX. Are you in it?
Yeah, I just sold at 7.9 right now. 6.9 to 7.9.
Wow. That move gave you $1. That's fucking insane.
Yeah, that's what I was watching.
Yeah, I think it has a chance to rip if it gets over here of 4,600. If it gets about to do this, we're going 46.20 easy.
$46.50. Yeah, only winning $1 on that place. That's why I entered it. When it's a higher risk, when it's over like $6-7, I'll take $1 just to get in and out real quick. Because if you buy, I don't want to leave 7,000 in the 6,900 in the market too long.
Yeah.
I wouldn't see the SPX over VMA on the 200 ticks, and it wasn't going over it, so that's why I got out.
Yeah.
It's still in the opening range low, so that's why I calculated just to take $1 real quick.
Yeah, no, that's a good play. These run at, I'm looking at 46.50s. Man, it was a good entry at 319, 320-ish.
Yeah, I need more grades on my screen. I'm watching too many things, shops, Amazon, Upstart, SPX, and then nothing else in here. Okay. I have the 40 putts on the screen also. Shop 800, I'm just going to swing those. These are rip up.
Okay, here comes another rejection on the market, guys. NQ is not able to reclaim VWAP. I mean, this push that you had is literally nothing right now. It wasn't even a push. Until it reclaims this NQ 1520, till that's reclaimed, man, we are in down trend for the day.
Dude, ad is so flat.
That's what I'm saying. Like, they're not buying or selling. I just think these prices are not willing to buy right now.
It's crazy.
I just think there's a lot of value in AMD at these 20s. I think that's pretty decent. Here comes SPX, guys. It has a chance here if it pops over this. 4,600 pops. The 46.50s is what I'm looking at. There it goes. They just popped 4. Not bad here. I grabbed one 46.50 here. Let's see. 4 fill.
Yeah.
There we go. Come on, go. They're 410 now. Come on. The psych level of 4,600 break.
Yeah, I watched the 46.30. I want to see it pop over 8.40, $8.40. Then it's going to be giving me a little confidence.
Oh, there goes AMD. Come on, break through that VWAP. There it is.
There it goes. No, you good. That's a good play. Very good play. Yep, those shop 800s at $3 already at $3.90. If anybody
46.50s at 4.5. If anyone grabs.
How many runners are you leaving on AMD?
I still have all AMD here. It didn't hit my target. I don't need to sell it.
No, yeah, I know I didn't sell, but when you do sell it, I haven't sold any either.
No, I'm gonna sell it all at this level here because these are 0 DT. I mean weeklies. There we go. 46.50s are about to pop, guys. Watch.
Yeah, they're about to pop. This next minute, if it's about to go over.
If they go over 6, man, these are going to about $12 today, and I'm holding these. I only got one. So I'm not holding these. I'm holding one. They're at 4.6 now, just tapped because they're tapping the orb low right now. Here we go. I think we pop here. PS at the VWAP here. If it breaks it, we're gonna get the push. SPY might go to 462.87, like in a couple of candles.
Yeah,
AMD, so 180 to 230, guys, on AMD.
yeah. Looks like SPX gonna go to 46.50. And Tesla, I was trying to fill it at 2.2, 1200s again. Amazon popped. Amazon 3520s popped again to $7.
Yeah, it was do or die time on Amazon based on what I had over there. I mean, if they literally pushed it 33.65 broke, it was going to 3300s.
They did something with Snow today, right? There was news out with Snow, some partnership.
Well, Snow looks good, guys. Snow looks really, really good here.
Snow looks really good. Yeah, that's why I rolled over to 270s next week. I just let that ride for free.
Yes. Oh, we just do look at a 16-minute candle on Snow. I take that back.
Let me see. Let's see if it gets to that. If it gets to the 246 today, then it can fly. But
Yeah, it has a gap all the way to 250 here. All right, guys. The SPX 4650s are at 5 here. $100 so far on these.
yeah, I just got into I got in for 483 right now.
Nice. It has room to pop now. If it goes to the day high, man, these are probably gonna get out. I'm gonna get out maybe 8.
I'm already up 6% on the day.
No, I'm waiting for AMD here. I have 55 contracts on the bigger account here. Just trying to get out. They're at 2.4. I want 2.5, but it's not letting me get out.
Yeah, I got out at 2.4.
Yeah, that's what I got out at 2.4.
I think I might follow here with you guys on small account. Nah, not yet. It's going. It needs to go to 123. That's what it's telling me that it wants to go. There it goes. There it fucking goes. Listen.
Nice.
Come on.
Oh, there goes LMT.
Oh my god.
434.
It's very close to breaking out,
Yep,
dude.
it's getting close.
Really close. I don't know how I did that, but that was pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm done for today. My one trade on this account, it's 18% worked out. So.
You took AMD?
Yeah.
Well done. No reason to overtrade, guys. Just take it and leave it.
I played AMD 3 times.
Yeah, I hit a few times.
I'm up really nicely on LMT.
I'll look at it now, PayPal.
Oh, look at LMT.
Oh my god, LMT. Let's go, baby. I think we go here.
It's going.
I think we're about to break out. I have a sell order here.
Oh, wow.
4 or 5. Oh my god, LMT's entering the gap. Don't stop. Please don't stop. Come on, war idiots. Bye.
War idiots.
There we go. 2.8. Oh, we're going now.
Oh, you're in 440s. You have a sell order where?
I'm gonna sell these at 400. Looking for 100% on these.
4.6 or 400?
400, not 4.6. Sorry, 4.6 would be out of reach. It'd be 400. Yeah, hopefully you guys got out of those SPXs. Whoever was in it. That was a good level to get out.
Oh, let's go LMT.
Oh my God, let's go. Look what I told you earlier. Don't be afraid. What did I say? There's a little demand zone trend line, and it's gonna bounce right here. I missed it by, I think, 10 cents. And now these contracts are gonna go ballistic. There it goes, 3. Come on, one more candle. Come on, get in there. There we go. There we go, bro. Last level of resistance, 435.67. And then we go, here we go. Yeah, 3. Did anyone grab these 440s with me or no? Or 450, sorry, I fucked up on that one.
I'm in 440s.
Okay. All right, here we go. That's 41% on LMT here.
I'm
A
up
little bit more.
100.
You got better.
I'm up 50%.
You got better price than me.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got better fill than me. I got shit fill. I was at 215, I believe. Yeah, 215. I mean, if I could sell it here, look at the ask now, dude. Ask just jumped 4.6-ish on some of these. Are we gonna pump it? Come on, LMP, pump. There was some nice volume there on that last candle.
Yeah.
I'll be cautious here on SPY. AMD, this was your chance to break this level and go. You did not. Are you gonna break the next line or not?
I feel like I've been watching it just like last few trading sessions. It just seems a little weak.
It does. I mean, it's almost like either there's no buyers or there's news pending on it. Or both, right? News, no buyers pending. I don't know.
But yeah, like it feels like every time it has the opportunity, it always drops.
Like stalled. Yeah. That's what I feel like too. And when I don't look at it, I mean, it fucking goes ballistic.
Yeah. True.
Okay. Tesla has 1097. It needs to break here, otherwise it's gonna come back down now. Bearish full send on 3 minutes on Tesla here. Honestly, this is a pretty tight open, excluding the gap.
QQQ is so flat.
No, yeah. I think we're about to come down, guys. Meaning we're gonna execute this ABC pattern and we're gonna go to 4500s. How much are 4500 puts on SPX? I'm thinking more lotto here. Man, these are kind of intriguing here, man. 4500 puts.
$1.50.
Man, this is really okay. I'm gonna get some. I'll get 5. Let's see if I get a dip here. If I can get him at like 1.3, 1.2, I'll do it. Let's see. Come on, give me a little dippy. It just doesn't seem convincing that we want to push higher now. See if they retest this trend line and break it and then go higher, or what they want to do. They're not really dropping these 4500s much. I really want it. If I can get it at 1.2, man, I'd buy it. No, we're not gonna get it. Yeah, we're not gonna get this. Damn it. All right. Yeah, they're buying puts here a lot right now. So, no, I forgot about TV. Really forgot about that stock. That's a nice bull flag. Or bull pennant.
You might actually get 120 here on 4500s.
No, let's see. Oh man, I don't want to catch the bull run on it. Let's see.
Yeah, just remember SPX is over VMA, so
Yeah, it's bouncing here. It's holding, and it broke that trend line. It retested right off the VMA and 9 EMA.
mm-hmm.
If I get 120, I'll just buy 2 here. I mean, we've been running straight fucking red green for, look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This would be the 11th day.
Yeah, it looks like it's going to 4700 by next week, maybe.
That's what I'm thinking too. I think that level is super heavy on that, man. We showed earlier. That level is so heavy for short sellers or people selling the stock.
No, you see the 4650s are still back from.
Yeah, they just dipped 3-something, 3.6, and they're at 4.8 now.
Yeah.
Could have played that. Well, look at the sell now.
Yep.
Man, I grabbed some of these guys here. 4,500. Oh my god.
Just
I'm at $40 on these guys.
Pop, yeah. That was fast.
1.8 now. Damn, I got 1.4 fill. Not too bad. Watch it reject here now. Right at orb high on 1.8. AMD looking to go here, building up a nice candle here. Was Netflix bouncing from that level we talked about earlier? Oh my god, dude. Wow. That was a nice dip by guys on AMD. We said 380, ran to 385. That was a really good dip buy on AMD, on Netflix. Wow. That was good. Yeah, we just need...
The candle that AMD has right now is crazy because it went down to the dark pool level 120.83, 120.84, and then popped all the way back up.
Yeah,
in that 3-minute candle.
Oh, here goes LMT again.
Oh my god, LMT just broke. Yep. Let's go, LMT. Just break the day high, man. That's all it needs to do to go. Full send, get away from there. Move. I don't want to see you. It really needs to break that 436.11 here.
Do you have any? I was going to ask, do you guys have any TOS option scanners? Because I know you shared that other scanner for the lows. I was just curious if you had any option scanners that you guys use on TOS.
I posted an option scanner in the TOS, I guess, room.
It's in the TOS resources room?
Yeah, I believe so, yeah.
I'll check it out. Thanks.
Come on, LMT, let's go.
moving. There we go. Here we go. Come on, break 436.
Oh,
There we
nice.
go. It's not breaking the day high here. It really needs to go if it wants to push now. There we go. That's it. Contract's at 3.6 for me now. Almost there.
Come on.
I sold it at 310 here. I'm afraid it's gonna pull back. So I'm out.
I'll do the same then.
I'm just afraid they might pull back here on this resistance. If it doesn't, I mean, it's going to 444. Oh, bad, I guess. $100 on that one on small account. Oh my God, LNT. There it goes.
I just sold it 310.
Not bad. We got a hell of a deal on that one.
Oh shoot, AMD's running too.
Yeah, AMD just broke, guys. I told you it was gonna go. We were in the money on AMD, just FYI. So the contracts on our AMD is a 2.6 from 1.8 entry. If you guys took that.
See, Moderna's running off of this week. Moderna just ran 5 points up. I think he's got some news, and I think they're running out BNTX earnings tomorrow, I believe, right?
Who is?
Moderna.
Let's see, Myrna. Oh wow! Holy crap, that's a nice pop.
Mm-hmm.
Now I just need MU to pop.
I'm swinging MU, man. I have a really, like, I don't know, like an instinct they're gonna pop it.
Well, I have those 90s, which I'll swing, but I have the 84s. I don't want to swing those.
No.
Look at
Oh
those.
my God, AMD.
800s. They're at 440 now from $3.
Yeah. 4650s you talking about?
No,
Man,
no,
I'm glad I got out on LMT, dude. We see that? I mean,
Oh,
maybe
yeah.
I'm wrong, but at least I got the high price.
No, profit's
Told you
profit.
somebody was gonna buy that crap he fell from me. AMD was good, guys. I mean, if anyone took it 1.8 to 2.6, dude, that's pretty good profit, man.
Yeah, no, I'm happy for today for sure.
Yeah, I'm up 10% on the day, but I'm down right now on those 84 calls on MU. I need those to
I
pop.
think we're gonna get a pop here soon on those.
I figured the IV alone will probably bring those up by the end of the
Yeah,
day.
could be. Good job trading mindset. He hit the daily goal already.
I crushed my daily goal.
Well done. I'm not there yet.
What's your daily goal, Shorty?
20K per day.
Oh, you don't go for a percentage, you go for a dollar?
Yeah, it kind of lines up with the low percentage. Yeah, 20K is the goal.
20K. That's 10%, right? You don't want to answer.
Talk about that.
That's 10%.
Here comes Shop.
Yeah, Shop has it. Did it break 720?
Yeah, bro, it's at 727 right now. It needs to.
Oh, yeah. It's going 750 right now. So if it breaks 730, it's going 750.
Mm-hmm.
I should have grabbed those. I didn't. I really should have grabbed them.
It looks like, oh, never mind. I was going to say it looked like AMD wants more here, but I'll take that back.
I don't know. It has to hit 123, guys. I don't know what it wants, but it has to tap this. Let's see. Yeah, Shop looks like it wants to go here if it breaks that. The 15-1-2-0 and then Q breaks, you're going to get a nice run on tech. Forgot to check CRM now. I'm still not over that level. Yeah, even that little run on SPX is still not really convincing. There goes Tesla, needs to break the 1097, or if you want to call it 1100. Here goes MU. There goes Shop, going up. 699 was a great buy for Shop. Is that where you scooped it up, Irv?
I got it. I watched the premium, so I got it at $3, the 800 call.
Nice, nice.
So
what I'm looking at Shop, this was a great buy here. You see this huge demand zone on the shelf, dip it below it, bring it back. I mean, even if you played it from here to here, played like 750s.
I got in around, what I got in around 7 something. What time was it? 10:20?
So at 10:15 was a great buy. And now it's going to rocket.
Yeah.
There goes. Did they get me out of AMD? Oh my God, you fucking silly bastards.
Were you didn't get filled?
Oh, there goes AMD.
Stop loss. They hit me quickly on that one. Not a stop loss, trailing stop. I mean, I was up. But just how funny they do it, though. They're so quick at it.
270 now. And
Q broke 51.20. I told you guys it's going to be a nice pop.
275.
Yeah, I debated keeping some in there because I had a feeling they're going to also go back up to 123 to retest.
Nice.
There goes 2.7. $100 in AMD contract. I just made 5K on my big account on AMD on that play.
Nice. I was surprised. So you said your goal was 20K a day, but you said you still have a boss, like you still work?
Yeah. My insurance is, I have insurance and I work from home. And I mean, if I'm on a call with you guys and you think how hard my work is.
Wow. Much respect, because I know my ass 20K a day. I'm not having them, no bosses.
No, man, they give me a really hefty salary, so
yeah, I imagine. I would imagine for sure. No, more power to you, man.
It doesn't make sense not to, and then you give them a little bit of pushback. They give you a nice bonus.
Listen, I trade every day, and I'm still learning. I'm learning some new software programs, and I'm almost done. Finish that program, and I'm gonna get a job making 130 a year, staying from home.
Exactly. Why not?
You guys, you gotta you can't
multiple sources of income, man. That's the key.
Yeah. You don't really know. You never know what's gonna happen in the market. What if there's somebody drops a nuke somewhere, and then well, all the SPX will drop down, and you lose everything, all your positions, and you can't just fully rely on that. Even though this is what I say, but still,
you gotta make money multiple ways, guys, not just one.
So
think about it. All I do with my paycheck is literally put it in my kids' funds for investments.
Yeah, this is not my source of income. Shorty knows I got another source of income. Like I do some other things on the side.
Yeah.
I'm always hustling, trying to figure out ways to make money. Doesn't matter.
You let the money work for you, man. You don't.
Exactly.
You open some LLCs, you'll find ways to make money. Even if you fucking drop ship stuff from Amazon or whatever, I don't know what it's called. Buy shit, resell it. And people are. The other day, I ordered some bike chain for my brother. So I paid like $12 on Amazon for it. I get the box, and I'm like, dude, it says $2 from Walmart. The dude scooped it up at Walmart, I guess, like a bunch of them for $2 on clearance, and is selling them for $12.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
So think about the profit margin if he bought 100 of them.
Yeah.
That's how you got to look at it. It's like, hey, why do you work? Well, am I working? Am I talking to you guys? Is there days that I'm busy? Yeah, of course. Is there days that I don't trade? Yeah. I mean, there's a balance.
Yeah, I guess I got to take this lesson in patience. I mean, I'm pretty the same way. I got a good job making good money, but it definitely gets in the way sometimes of trading. So That's where
Well,
I was
a lot
kind
of people, a lot of people I know recently, Apple like released a new support group. They basically moved to Europe, like in cheaper countries, and they're support agents for Apple, and they're getting paid $23 an hour, and Apple has no idea that they're like in Europe. They're paying them $23, and you convert that to some currencies in Europe, you're making double. You're living literally like a king.
Nice.
And all they have to do is respond a few emails, tickets, and I don't know what the SLA is on those, like how frequently you have to respond, but I'm pretty sure he's okay, making that kind of money, living, standard of living a little bit lower, but the life is also slower when you have that. In US, I mean, life is pretty fast. I mean, we're already in fucking April. It feels like January was yesterday.
Time moves way faster in the US than it does in Europe.
Oh yeah, dude. I mean, you don't have time to even like I have no time to go see my brother, even though he's like 30 minutes away. Mom is 15 minutes. But
Yep.
I pick up the kiddo, I do this, I do that, soccer practice, this practice, and I'm like, damn, where did the week go? And I'm like, man, I didn't even go see this person or that person. You just don't have time.
Mm-hmm. That's one of the things I really love about France. Like everything's just
dude.
so chill. Like
France is good, man. They work 30 hours a week for full time.
Yep. And everybody, the whole country shuts down at lunchtime, like for an hour. Like
me and my wife went to Switzerland, man, with my first son, and she was breastfeeding at that time, and she also had like the pump, like where instead of breastfeeding. So we get there like maybe 11 p.m. We go to our family's house. We are there, and we didn't even think about it. But the outlets, of course, are different, and the pump that she had wasn't dual watts, like 120 and 220. Man, so we're so dead tired. We plug it in, and poof. Oh yeah. Shit pops, goes black, and my wife is like, "Well, he doesn't want to latch." I was like, I called one of her uncles. I was like, "Hey, listen, I want to go to that store just to buy this." He's like, "What do you mean?" I'm like, "You guys don't have like a fucking store I can go to?" He's like, "At 11 o'clock." He's like, "No, man, we close at 7."
Yep.
I'm like, "Not a store in Switzerland right now. I mean, I'll drive." And he's like, "No, man, everything's closed." Well, the worst part is tomorrow is Sunday, and I'm like, "Okay, we'll go tomorrow." He's like, "Yeah, tomorrow everything's closed. There's only one pharmacy open." I'm like, "What? Are you fucking kidding?" He's like, "Yeah, you have to go to Italy." So what do? I fucking get in a car tomorrow morning and I drive from Switzerland to Italy to go pick up like I guess an adapter for a pump. An hour and a half to pick up a fucking pump. In America, what do you do, man? Midnight, I guess Walmart, whatever you're living by, that's 24/7, and you go get it.
Shit, some places in California or in America, you can have Amazon get it to you in an hour.
Oh yeah, now you can, yeah.
That's exactly why I have a 5-bedroom house in the south of France.
Nice. You gotta go to your house then.
Oh yeah, man. Anytime.
Well, here comes SPX, guys. Did anyone keep these 4650s?
Yeah,
5.5.
I added more around $4, so I'm just writing those out. I had the 10 480 and added 5 more at $4. So let me see. I'm just gonna write these.
Yeah, I think we go to 4620 here.
Yeah, I probably got it. I have a sell order. I'm looking at 620.
Yeah, I think you get it. I only have one.
I mean, you know Europe, Shorty, but that house in France, it's built out of real stones. Like,
Oh yeah, of course.
The walls are like a foot thick. It's beautiful.
So guys, watch LMT here. It literally might go here. I'm out of LMT, just that's why. Right?
Yeah, me too. I need MU to really pop here, like sometime.
And I really want to buy these 4,500. Just that they're far now. That pay that's gonna burn.
Yeah.
4550s here are not bad, man. They're hitting almost door blow at 3.8. If I can get them at 3.2, I'll buy some.
Oh shoot, those 90 MUs are up nice.
82 cents.
Yeah, they're up good.
IV's hitting now.
Yep.
I wasn't even paying attention. They smacked GME. Now they're bringing it back up.
Yeah.
I don't even look at those guys. Like,
They
not that I don't care, but I just, no.
They smacked it from 200 down to 163, and now they're bringing it back.
Holy crap, that was a smackdown, dude. Wow.
Yeah, AMC.
20%.
It's the same thing. AMC popped up to 34, and then they brought it all the way down to 26.50.
Man, that was a smackdown. They might just pop it back up to 190 right now. I'm pretty sure IV on those things is through the roof now.
Oh yeah,
they're collecting premium from people, man.
Yeah, people have been scooping up AMC and GME for last couple days.
Yeah, they're gonna regret that one shortly.
See what the...
Can't believe that AMD hit my stop, trailing stop like that. That was so quick.
Damn, those 90s on MU are 90 cents. Well, they were a second ago. I should have bought
I think
more.
we'll be okay on those, man. I have 5 and 1 on little account.
Yeah, I just bought 1, but I need like a $20 or sorry, my contract. I need a 20-cent pop to just get to break even on the 84 calls on MU.
Yeah, AMD slowly getting to that 123-ish level. I think Tesla short is not bad here, guys. If it doesn't break the previous day high here. If we dip below PDC, I would short it.
Yeah, I just looked up the contract for GME. It was a $10 difference from that low just about an hour ago to now. $10 pop.
What's the IV on those things?
I can pull it up. I don't have to change. I'm looking at the chart.
130%, dude.
AMC's trying to go here.
Let me look at GME. Dude, IV is at 250%, man. People are crazy if they're buying this right now.
Of course people are buying it.
Yeah, no, thank you. There's much better trades.
Definitely YOLO in it.
Dude, AMC's trying to pop here.
Probably same IV on AMC. Much easier to drop on AMC than it is in GME. Yep. Oh, AMC 400% IV.
Wow.
Wow.
Fuck that. Yeah, it's not even worth looking at. I don't look at stuff for that reason. I'm looking at Tesla 1050s here.
What's your cutoff for IV?
Anything below 40% I trade. I mean, everything's inflated now a little bit. Oh yeah, man, these Tesla 1050s, or if they might be good, man. Here, watch.
Those 40,
I'll grab one.
45.
Damn, I got 11 fill.
4500s.
Right,
they went from 80 to 110.
Yeah, I'm in Tesla 1050s. Let's see what we get here. 11. 11 fill. Yeah, so we break this here. We're pretty much print.
Dude, you gotta let him trade, Shorty.
Yeah, he's crying for trading right now.
He is. It's like, I can do it way better. Man, I really have to say that break from trading was like amazing. I'm so relaxed right now trading. I'm generally really relaxed, but I'm way more relaxed than I normally am right now.
I got to buy for Tesla 1200 at 371. I'm looking for around that range. If I get it at that price.
Whoa, somebody bought 1.3 million in GMEs. That's crazy.
All right, guys. I think Tesla here might dump. I don't know if anyone scooped it with me or not, but this might pay right here.
I like how the apes saw how much they won, but they never show how much they lost.
Oh yeah, all of them. Oh, I like that. Here goes Tessie. Come on, Tesla. I'm selling at 13 on Tesla.
Damn, he didn't film me 370. Come on, film me. Let's see.
I mean, those people, those little apes, they just might have like rich parents or some shit. I don't know how you drop 300K on memes. All right, here we go, Tessie. 1.5. Come on, 11.5. Boom. One more candle like that, Tessie. Come on. Go down.
I got it at 370, 1200 call. Let's see.
For what?
Tesla.
Which calls did you play?
Tesla 1200 call. I'm only looking to make $1 on it. So it's just for a scalp. Let's see.
The video kind of looks like it's gearing up for a run. That's a VWAP.
Yeah, I think I have to test a little bit lower on the video. I was watching it. Like 280-ish, 280, 282, 280-ish. Come on, Tessie. I'm actually playing against you, Earth, here. I'm in Tesla puts.
I know you are.
Let's see.
But I have a stop loss of $3, so.
Yeah, my stop loss is 10 on these. If it
I might swing it. I don't even know yet.
Yeah,
So-
if NQ breaks the VWAP here, it's in trouble. It wasn't a convincing break to begin with to the upside. Now it's struggling. And same with ES. That wasn't a like, oh my god, break. It was just crawling over it.
Yeah.
All right, well, here goes Tesla down. So if you look at Tesla, it's almost like a little bear flag that it had created here. You see this on Tesla?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm playing here. I mean, entry should have been 1080, but I got in right here.
It looks like we got out of LMT at a good time, Shorty.
No, yeah, it was perfect. I think we got the highest sell order on that.
Yeah.
Man, the 4550s Earth, man, those were good, man. 3.8-ish. The SPX. Looking at options, it's saying that we should bounce here soon, but I don't know.
What's up, boys?
What up, man?
So
None.
I thought that was sequence. Is it sequence?
What's up?
Oh, man. You're not talking about VWAP. I was like, what's going on here?
I did just play the rejection on VWAP, if that counts.
Yeah, that's actually good. I would wait for 458.62 to break.
Yeah, man. That was nice.
The VWAP, man.
Gotta love the VWAPs.
VWAP's actually used in every algorithm that exists.
Yeah. Good stuff.
Come on, Tesla, don't bet. Dude, these 4650s are went to as high as, what is this, 5.7?
Yeah, they went to
And if they go back to 3.5, I think I'll scoop some. So let's see.
go back there. It's gonna go back there if it gets on VMA. If it gets about SPX goes back to 4600, it'll probably go back there.
Yeah, it's holding a 9-minute EMA here. There goes Tesla bounce.
Yeah.
Tesla has to break 1097 here.
Let's go, Tesla. I'm going against Shorty. We're going against each other.
I mean, it has a nice setup here if you decide. You see this trend line here? Not the cleanest trend line, but let's see, look at this.
And I just want MU to pop here.
Pop for Drew.
Please.
All right, short. You got it. MU to announce new robots to replace humans.
Nice.
There you go. VIX is dropping here. Dude, ad's been flat. Like,
Yeah, it's
flat.
weird.
Like, are you buying? Are you selling? What the hell are you
Well,
doing?
look at QQQ. It's been
Why do I
like
not have
so
QQQ?
sideways.
Yeah, Tesla's kind of just stuck here right now.
What chart is that?
Yeah,
3 minute.
I think it goes up. I mean, I don't know. It's just.
Yeah, Qs are pushing on the VWAP here. If that breaks, then it has 369 POC for the day, which I don't really, I mean, you care about it, but not on TOS as much as TV.
Sorry, my chart was really funky. My QQQ looked completely flat. It's not.
It has a double bottom, I mean, right there.
270s. Where's my fill? Hold on. Is it 320?
There's no dip at all. I might get in those. Yeah, I'm not ready to. I want it at 238. Yeah, if he has breaks this VWAP here, it might be going to that 57. I think it's ready to do it. Come on, Tesla. There goes Tesla. Let's go. No, not that way. You gotta love those random intraday candles where it's like huge drop, pop. Doc T, is Netflix running? Oh yeah, dude, Netflix, guys. Netflix, we talked about the Netflix earlier at 380. This was our buy zone earlier, Netflix.
Tesla back at daily VWAP.
Man, look at Netflix, guys. It ran almost $10 since the level. Oh my God, Netflix still going. How did we miss that one? Hopefully
Shop.
somebody got it.
Look at that shop. 800 at $5 now. Let's go. Got $2 on those now. Come on. Shop takes a goal. Those 800s go over $5. They're gonna test up to $6 again.
No, Tesla. I'm still in Tesla here. Till it breaks the 1097 level, then I'll get out.
Yeah, it's popping between the daily VWAP and the POC right now.
Yeah. Man, how much are these? 4650s at 3.9 here. We almost got the fill at 3.5. I mean, almost touched it.
And I
3.7.
I looked at PayPal 120 calls. It looks like it did good. I didn't see I just looked at PayPal for the first time in like an hour.
Oh, PayPal's are good, man. Oh, there goes PayPal at 120, guys. Shoot.
Yeah, that's what I was like. Dan, that would have been another good play.
That was on our watch list Sunday, I believe.
Yeah, it did $1. Yeah, it did it from $1 to $2.
There goes Tesla trying to break this.
Yep, back at the POC.
Come on, Tesla. Give me back 4.7. Give me the dollar. Fucking Amazon. I had a 476 order fill. He never filled me. He only went to $5. Those 3520s again. Those were 620.
She's pushing. She touched it.
Guys, Netflix was super duper easy.
Tesla's got like 30 seconds on this 3-minute candle, by the way, so it's pushing the POC still.
Shop is closed. Come on, shop. Get through this 735.
Wow, Netflix is still going, guys. This is the level we talked about earlier this morning. I gave you guys on a daily. You guys remember this rectangular consolidation we had? Well, you can't see it because of this crap. Look, this is what we talked about, 386. This is going to run now. It's going to run wild. And what it did is it dipped below 12 volume profile shelf, came back for a retest and gone. Pretty nice. I'm still in Tesla put, so this wasn't a convincing move on the market right here.
Yeah, it looks pretty cruddy.
Come on, shop. Give me 100% at least on my 800s.
So Harker said definitely correlation between yield curve and recession. So basically when the yield curve of a long term and a short term expands, there's a recession potential, and we are really expanding that. Be careful. Man, I'm glad I got out of LMT there.
Yeah, LMT is a hard trade for me. You know, those strictly off of use those things type of run or stocks. Like you have to be in it at the right time and just sell it. Can't be in there too long. That's fine too. Those 140 calls we rolled for next week is moving nicely too. I'm gonna sell half my position at $6. If those 800s go to 6, I leave the other half free in the shops.
Guys, I'm gonna go step away, or if you want to share screen or somebody, that'd be great. I'm gonna go grab some food and drinks. I'll be back. I'm starving.
Get a little hungry myself.
Yeah, I just got a croissant and a refill on my coffee.
Sounds delicious.
Yeah, I need a refill on my coffee too, but I'm too lazy to get up. Every time I feel like I'm gonna walk away, I miss something even for a split second.
I know, man.
I know, but nice, Doc. Yeah, I still got my Upstart. I killed Upstart today. Shoot. Made over $5 grand on Upstart today.
There goes PayPal again. Every time you think it's gonna make a move to 120, they just pull it. Wow.
It's back down on this pre-market level I got.
And they just pull it $1, just like that. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
What made you get into shop? Because normally you're like SPX and Tesla and those guys. I'm just curious.
Mostly the last 2 weeks I've been showing you guys SPX. I get in a lot of plays. I play Shop a lot. I play Amazon. I play stuff that moves. You know, so I see Shop and it's been. Remember, it was at Shop. It was at 1700 at once, right? So market is running back up, and there was no word why it went down. Really, why did Shop go down, right? So market was coming down that time. So I always have Shop on my screen watching, and I see it's been moving when it hit its lows already. So now the market's going up, so I'm seeing Shop's going to go up too. So I always have Shop, Amazon on my screen. I always have the levels. I want to know what premiums I'm watching, what strike. That's why I said I first got in at 4.9, took $1 loss, so now made my dollar back, made $2 on it. You know, covers my dollar loss position. So I know the entry at $3. So okay, I'll risk it at 3. I'll swing it at $3. The Shop call.
How many would you say you got?
I don't like trading. I don't like trading SPX really on non-expiring days. You know, so you could only take chances if you're in profit. Like if you're gonna play a lotto play, like people do lottos, don't use your own money to play lottos. Only use what you got in profits, or use less than what you made. You know, so I made a lot of money yesterday. Like, and I could play around with a lot of lottos today, but I can swing some stuff longer than what I usually swing because okay, I'll take a chance. the
How many would
upside.
you say you have charted? Because like right now I have about, I think, 5 or 6. Like how many do you have like charted out with the levels and all that?
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got 14 things on my screen right now.
Wow. Okay. Nice.
And I want more. And I want more because I have premiums, because the premiums take some of my charts up. I have the tickers up, but I have 14 things I'm charted, but so that's why I jump in place quickly because I see it's right there already on the screen, and I already know what order I want to buy. Sometimes I have an Amazon 3520 order at 476. I had the order there, but it never got filled. But I have the order already ready to buy it, because I was watching it. So I had a Tesla 370. I see Tesla 370 could go back to 470. Below that, it could go down to 230, but I have a stop loss. I'll probably do it under $3 because remember what Tesla 1200 is. What's the lowest it was today? Lowest was the lowest fail sold was at 281, but the average was above $3. The 1200s today, so they keeping it above. Let me just put the screen on what I'm talking about. So I have my fibs out here. Let's see here. You see what I'm talking about? 1200s. The lowest actual average fill was at about $3, right? So that's why I have a mental stop loss. It's not like percentage wise. I don't do percentage wise. If I'm going to see where I can go swing and stuff like that, where I can see momentum. So I'm reading premiums like that. Shop is closed. So if I see Shop takes out $6 or 800 calls, those are going to run. Those are probably going to go to $9 today. So my whole thing is I bought it at $3. I sold some at 5, and I sold the rest at $6. So then I leave those runners for free.
Yeah, I definitely got to add a few more or chart out a few more here.
I need another 49-inch ultra wide.
Yeah, I feel like I need one too. This is not enough now for me.
Yeah, I should say that quietly in case my wife hears me.
Just stack up the 49s, one on top of the other.
That's the plan eventually, yeah.
Yeah, you need to stack it up because you can't have it two side by side because then you're just going to be like in a big circle. You're going to miss a lot of stuff too.
Yeah.
Look at SPX run now. SPX is about to need to take out today's. Go back up. All right.
So they come out that like Minority Report tech. I don't know if you guys ever seen that movie, Minority Report, with Tom Cruise.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have like a heads up display like that.
You see those Tesla 1200s? See, I have my levels already set. I know 371. That's a good entry. So I already know what my plan is. So I could have exited. Damn, I'm so mad. Those 3520s on Amazon. I should have took it at $5, but I wanted it at 476 because I was being greedy. And those are $7 now. See, now you guys understand what I've been talking about the last 2 weeks, right? Trade to up moves.
Yeah, and I'm seeing it more like I'm trying to I still want to get. I feel like you have a nice little process on identifying those dollar gaps, like those dollar jumpers. Like I'm
Yeah,
trying
it took me a good year to figure that out. That's why I see that's why I can't I don't waste my time. I have Apple just to look at because it's part of SPX. I don't waste my time buying Apple contracts because those things don't move. Microsoft, it doesn't move, like the premiums don't move on it, like moves, play stuff that moves. Like, so that's the thing with Google. I'm upset we do a 20-1 because I'm never going to trade it again. I was upset when Nvidia did a split because of Nvidia used to move. I used to love playing Nvidia, but now it's just it's starting to get a little better, but it still doesn't move like I used to move. Because the market cap is higher, and it just you need a lot of volume to move those things. Wow, I can't believe Amazon. I missed that Amazon. Yeah, it's been at 465, 475. I should have took it at $5.
You ever
That's
trade
right.
Baba?
I used to, sometimes I do, but ever since Baba, I traded it 2 years ago a lot, when it was running up and stuff like that. But now I just don't. I don't really trade Chinese stocks too much. I do sometimes, if I only if I see it's a guaranteed run back. I don't have the screen space to watch it. So if it's not on my watch list, then I won't look at it. You know,
Yeah,
if I have something that I'm only trading what I see what's working. So I don't look at. I'm not even looking at GME right now. I have it on my screen sometimes just because if there's opportunity to make money, I'm gonna look at it. I don't care. I don't love a stock. I don't hate a stock. I just if I'm working and during the times the trading hours, I need to see where I can make money. Like I'm not biased towards anything. Like if there's the opportunity, like one of my friends, he says he looked at Deere, DE. So look at that. I never looked at it, but that's another one I put in my watch list just because he said the crops, the fertilizers, and all that stuff. So he said watch DE also because they also pay out good. I said okay, I'll put it on the watch list, but I don't know the behavior. I don't know the action on it.
Yeah.
I've been playing Tesla, Google, Amazon, Shop, all these things for a whole year, so I know how these move. So I can see SPX. I know how they move. So I just try to see what I can see and what moves and stuff like that.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. I mean, I buy stocks, but but it's a totally different account I have. Like, I buy SPY. I add to SPY all the time. I don't trade options in SPY because it's not going to pay me as nice as SPX does, as quick as SPX does. And SPY pays dividends, so I buy it. I add every month, every week I buy, so I throw money to it. I mean, I buy IWM. I add every week. I mean,
I added I think Piton last week just to kind of follow that because a lot of I guess news or was trending or whatnot.
Piton?
Yeah, I haven't traded it yet, but I also added that to my watch list to follow it.
I mean, Piton had his run. I don't.
Yeah.
I don't think he's ever going back to 100 something. I had Piton when it first started and COVID was first happening because that was the whole thing. Everybody's be home working out, but it's a fact. I have an exercise bike. I bought it for my wife. Not Peloton, but I have a regular exercise bike. I mean, Piton. I don't understand the thrill of it watching a trainer live. Like you could put up a YouTube video and do the same thing. It's not like you're gonna get the same motivation. Like you can put the bike in front of a TV, put a YouTube video of a trainer, and you can have a spin class right then and there. So there's enough apps on there that you don't have to pay Peloton. So that's why I just felt like long term that was a fail. It worked good for COVID, and because I don't want to pay. Well, what's the difference? A $3,000 bike for what? It'd be crazy.
Yeah.
You can buy a bike for $250 on Amazon, or $200, a decent one, same thing, and just work out.
They sell those attachments too that you can actually just use your regular bike on, put it on one of those.
Oh yeah. You can sell one. I bought my wife an exercise bike. She used it one time, and now she's in the corner of the house, just sitting there.
Yeah.
It's all right.
Do you ever get into any of those SPACs?
I did before.
Yeah.
We did before. Last year it was a lot. I mean, SPACs was a game last year, a lot of it, but it was just it was a hit or miss. I mean, I did Lucid was when they definitely Lucid when before they merged and stuff.
Right on time. I was watching Spy because when it bounced off the VPOC,
Mm-hmm.
now it marched its way back up to 460. Been behaving. See what happens in a little bit.
You didn't want to give me 4.7 on my Tesla, man. Not even $1, just went to 4.5. It did touch 4.7 twice, 3 times. 2, 1.
You grew, or if you grew your small account in 1 year or 2 years, what did because you started out with like a small account, right?
Yeah, I started a small account. I mean, but I did it. It was in 2019, around June. I started trading. I knew about stocks, but I didn't play options too much, you know. But yeah,
Oh,
but I
okay.
started doing options and stuff like that. You know, I knew about stocks for a long time, but you know, I was investing just to grow my portfolio. But I never trade options. I never really learned it too much. I just like, you know, but I finally learned it and I started doing it. And then, I mean, it takes time. I had some good winners and I learned a lot. Like everybody has a different style. Like I can't like, but you know, I'm not gonna lie. Everything was so cheap in 2021 when COVID happened. You could have closed your eyes to anybody about anything, and your style, your portfolio would have ran on options. You know, and then when COVID and the vaccines came out, Moderna, BNTX, Novax, all these things came into play, and like that was the opportunity to jump in and just people could go YOLO on those plays. And you know, GME, I took AMC. I made like $40,000 off AMC. You know, just easily, just off playing off, or just keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. You know, so COVID did help a lot. I'm not gonna lie. You know, I'm just being honest, but I learned how to trade within that time frame also because I knew what were lottos. I knew when to swing something. I figured out I'm better at scalping stuff. You know, yeah, I'll buy 10 contracts. You know, I don't buy 20 contracts. I'm too scared to buy 20 contracts. You know, I'm saying, you know what? I don't want to risk more than 10,000 on a trade. You know, I don't care. I mean, that some people do it. I don't. You know, I can't. You know, because I said I'm not going to do that. My rules and I stick to my rules. You know, I don't average down. If I treat it like okay, I would take a dollar stop loss in just to cover that. Then I know that you know what, I don't hold emotions that I took a loss on it. I just find another play to make that dollar back. You know, so like shop, I bought it at first. I bought it at 4.9. I took it $1.390. I sold it. I said, you know what, I got to make it back. And but I saw that shop has another opportunity. I said, let me go back in that trade and buy it at $3. And I go back up, make the dollar back, and sell it at $2 profit. I made $1 profit overall on that net on that trade. So is when you start bringing emotions to it, you start losing and then you're gonna start taking losses because then you're gonna say like, oh, I gotta get this back, I gotta do this, and then you know, I hate playing this, I hate Tesla, I hate doing it. They took so much money from me. Yeah, who cares? You know, it's like betting on a sports team. Does it mean if you lost on a team, you're not gonna stop betting on them or on anything?
That's like the realest thing ever. You can't have any emotions when you trade. You
No.
literally have to give zero fucks. If you're emotional, if you're actually caring when you take trades, you need to step away.
Yeah, that's like the hardest thing. That or has been the hardest thing was like cutting the losers, like knowing to cut. Like I could win, I don't know, 6 out of 8 out of 10 or whatever, but those two would just kill my overall return because, like, yeah, just not cutting it. So I like that, like RF2, like just setting it and like that's what I've had to do too sometimes, just to protect from myself, just to
Mm-hmm.
protect myself, like protect me from myself, I guess you could say.
Yeah, sometimes I don't even know if I'm buying Tesla or Amazon. I'm just looking off the chart. I'm just looking at the premiums. I'm looking at the pricing. I see where it's going. I can see the momentum. I look at the stock. And I'm just going with the momentum. Look at those Tesla 1200s now. Back at 465 from 3.7. I have a sell at 4.7, so I'll make $1,000 on that on a 10 pack. And there you go, sold.
Yeah, I sold them at 465. I gotta go.
You know, so and that's my next level. And then if it holds over above that, then it's gonna go. Like I could see it go to 569 then, but look at that level, 4.7 right on the dot. That's what I wanted, and that's it. Got a little bit pullback, and that's all 50 right there. It's 1100 Tesla right now is that. So
Yeah, you know what I usually found worked for me, at least, so I don't get emotional. Is I don't go off, like I take, okay, 5 calls. Like I know that Earth usually takes 10. I take 5. Sometimes I take 10, but I don't risk more than 3,000 on a call. So my stop loss would be, whatever it is, $1, maybe 50, just depending. So that's the only way for me not to get emotional anymore, because I was very emotional when it came to trading at the beginning, and I still am right now. I'm still learning, but just don't size up. That's basically what it is. That's the only thing that worked for me, at least.
yeah, listen. Some people say, "How did you build it up? What trades did you? How do you build it?" I said, all these trades have opportunity. Once you know, like buy one contract, you don't have to buy 5, 10 contracts. You start with one contract, you build your account up. Once you have over 10 grand, then you can start maybe with profits. You know, you start taking chances. Okay, this is what's been working for me, and let me make that dollar profit. Let me go buy 5 contracts instead of 10 now. Okay, so let me go risk like $2,500 on one play. I'm already up 10 grand. You know, but that 10 grand, it might take 2 months to get that 10 grand. It might take 3 months. But remember, this is a marathon. It's not a race. Like it's not a race to who's gonna make millions first. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people, they're racing against other people when you should be. You should not be worrying about like, oh, this person made this much. You start focus on what you do, what you want to make, and how long it's gonna get. Don't worry about the time. Just go slow and build your account. That's the biggest thing.
Yeah,
Just keep going and just keep compounding. You know, some people make $25 a day. They build in their account. Doesn't matter. Some people, that's his goal. That's that person's goal. Somebody has a goal, $200 goal. You know, just get that $200 in and just $100 goal. Build it up. Then the next month, raise your goal. Raise your contract. Just start. Okay, now you're playing with house money. You know,
or just shoot for a percentage gain a day, not a dollar dollar amount.
Yeah, whatever works. Everybody has whatever works. You know, percentage, dollar amount. You know, I do dollar amounts because that's what helps me see my portfolio grow. Like I just want a specific goal I'm looking for. But whatever works for people, like 20%. Some people like 30% portfolio gains. Like
Yeah, I think the only thing that at least hurt me in the beginning when I started training is the fact that I always wanted 100%. I never settled for what I had, and I would be up in profit, and I would just see those profits just going down.
Yeah.
And then the same thing happened. My brother's trading too, but he blew off his account. I mean, he blew off almost 80,000 last year.
Yeah, it happens because what happens is
He
people.
got very emotional, right? And he would always oversize, always average down everything that you're not supposed to do as a trader, and even as a beginner, he would do. And he's just he blew off his account. Now he's just sitting on the bench.
Yeah, I mean, listen, it's everybody been through there. I've been there too. I lost one time 60,000 in 1 week because but I learned from that mistake because that's what I did. Oh, I'm hot, I'm on fire, and I bought some Facebook play, and then next antitrust lawsuit comes out, and boom, I lost like 20 grand on that position because I overtraded because I was too confident and I was thinking every play is gonna be a winner, and I didn't sell when I was up in profit. So that's why I learned when to take my game, what I'm looking for now. You have to go through losses and you have to go through those struggles as a trader because nobody's 100%.
Yeah, 100%. I agree. But you always have to. You learn. You said it that you learn from that mistake, right? But apparently, I mean, obviously, my brother hasn't learned yet. I'm still trying to.
It's like people have a problem. They it's like somebody's on a blackjack table. Doesn't matter. they love the trade, but they just fighting against trying to make that money back. And if you have a gambling problem, options are very hard. It's very hard for that person. I'll tell you that right now. It's not going to be easy doing options because if you have a gambling problem and you get, because a lot of gamblers get too emotional and then they want to chase that money back, and then that's why they fail in options. You know, unless you're a good gambler and and then you can become a good trader also.
Yeah, but if you're gonna lose, at least lose something and keep something for you to trade another day, right? That's why you cut your losses and you have a mental loss, or that okay, I want to make $1, but I don't want to lose $1, so that's my stop loss. And that's another thing that he just, I learned it too, is stop loss. That's it. You lost it. You try to come back and make it, but just don't get emotional to it.
Yeah, just move on. That's the key. If you learn how to move on and you don't worry about it, just forget it. And if you just find another opportunity, sometimes I have $1 stop loss. Sometimes I see how low that you figure it out when you want to keep what's your stop loss going to be. Like so you once you get a hang of it, you get a hang of it watching the same stock, so you see how much the premiums move, how much your stop loss is going to be. It also depends how much you're up in profit. If I made 40,000 yesterday, I'm up in profit. I have, even if I play with 20,000, I lose today. Guess what? I'm still up 20 grand for these last 2 days, right? So it's all emotionally. You have to think like that. Then you emotionally, I'm willing to lose this. I'm okay with it. Because I already know, like, okay, I'm already up, so no matter what, even though, yeah, I don't want to lose that 20,000, but emotionally in my head, even though I won't let it go down that way, but in my head, I already know this is mentally where I'm gonna be okay.
Yeah, but you're also playing with the profits, right? Like you said it. Versus you, but then you're also playing with profits, but you're not oversizing your trades to the extent
No,
where
no,
now you.
like when I do my rolls also. So if I bought I had the upstart 120s, I sold. I had 10 contracts. I sold, but when I did the roll for the 140s, I only bought 5 contracts, and I was using my profits from there. I bought it at 150, but that 150 was my profit money, and half of my profit money, and I rolled over. So now I'm not even looking at it. And I'm just sitting there, and I just look back and say, okay, it's up now, it's not down, and I let it roll because I'm okay in my head that even if those go to zero, I still won that trade. You guys understand what I'm saying?
Yeah,
So
Yeah, that makes sense.
then I'm not sticking like, oh my god, I'm going down $1, I'm going up $1, and then I already know in my head, oh, I'm already up in that trade. I don't even care no more. Like, I'm looking for something else now. I can make my money, but that all depends on your account balance too. If you have enough money in there, so everybody has a different style. No two traders are the same. Every trader is different. They have a different style. Like Shorty has his way of trading. I have my way of trading. You have your way of trading. Everybody has their way of trading. I'm not going to be like Sam who drops 100,000 on a play, because maybe his bank account balance is bigger. Maybe it's not. Who knows? Everybody has a different style. So
yeah, you just gotta find what works for you, right? Like right now, I have the time. I'm on the bench at work, so I have the time to sit and watch screens all day long. So scalping is good for me. Sometimes I swing trades, but historically, I've never had the time to do that, so I would always swing. But right now, maybe 20% swinging and 80% scalping.
yeah,
Versus
but I swing also a lot of stuff, but I only swing knowing that what, I'm not using my money. I'm swinging. I'm going to swing for the profits I made today. Not for the profits I made. I'll swing my shop 800s, whatever, because you know what, I made enough profit today to cover those. That's how you should be thinking about. I mean, that's not everybody has their own style, but that's what I do. I start to scalp whatever I can in the beginning, and then whatever profits I have, I can use those to swing those to another contract, another play, another trade.
Yeah, again, just find what works for you and stick to the plan. I think that's also part of the game, is sticking to your goals instead of doing random things all the time.
Yeah, and just have like practice with 4 or 5 tickers that you always trade with every week. And see what's moving, and then see if a lot of times what I do is so I see earnings plays, I see what earnings winners were there. So if like MU has a good earnings, I'll look at MU, and then what's gonna work off MU today. You got LRCX, right? Because MU uses them to if MU is gonna have good earnings, we know that already. That's they increase their prices. It's all about. But if they have supply issues, right? But if they're gonna guide up, LRCX is gonna go up because then they're gonna need them and stuff like that to build their chips, make the equipment to make their chips, right? So LRCX is gonna move up also off the MU news. So you have to figure out which works with what, and but the biggest problem is going to be the neon gas from Ukraine and Russia. That's going to be the biggest issue that we don't know about. So that's why it's going to be a lotto play. Every earnings is a lotto, So if you like, let me see LRCX right now. LRCX right now is where is that? LRCX is at 567. So if you look at the 600 call, that's a lotto play right now off of MU earnings. You can probably do it 600 for $1.70 right now. And that's not a bad lotto just to throw it out there. But if you expect zero, that, or you can always run to probably like $4 or $5. If LFCX pops 30 points in the next 2 days, because you have all week to play it.
Anybody got the next level on PayPal? It finally broke that 120 when I decided to get in a put, but I got out of it right quick on a stop loss.
I don't know. I don't have PayPal on my screen. Somebody else can take that one.
I hate PayPal.
See, you bring emotions to it again.
Yeah, I've never traded PayPal. No, don't get me wrong. I hate it because of the way it moves, and I've been waiting for it to bottom, but it just keeps going down. I stopped watching it, honestly. You know how it is. You make a lot of these payments, buy stuff through PayPal, and you're like, oh my god, this company is just all over the place, right? Trying to make, and yet the stocks does not reflect that.
Upstart's close to that opening range high. If it takes out this 122.88, this thing's gonna fly to 131, then 144.
MU's trying to get over the VWAP.
Yeah, MU probably gonna run the last hour. If it runs the last hour, you probably know the earnings are gonna be okay. But we don't know. Let's see.
Yeah, I have like 4 contracts right now of MU. I'm gonna sell all but one before close.
So what? I think I might enter the LRCX 600 call at 170. I might just do that just for a lotto playoff MU. I'm gonna go buy a couple contracts, not too many. Shit, he just popped it to 178.
Yeah, I'm re-looking at it, but I think the next two are 122, 125 on PayPal.
Yeah, you got filled at 170. Oh, CX 600s. See, that's a lotto play. It's based off MU earnings. You see, XPX, I don't like trading too much on a Tuesday because there's not that much, and the volume is not as much as on a 0 day on that. So if it was running, I would have jumped at it, but it's not. It's not really moving too much. Like the 4650s, they just going from like 480 to 520. They're not giving me $1, so I'm not going to risk $400.
I played it once. When you guys played it, I took it at 450 to 550, and that was it. That I made up basically the losses that I had on shop from 4 to 3.
Mm-hmm.
That was it. But yeah, like you said, SPX doesn't give you much. It moves, but it just doesn't give you much on non-zero DTE.
Yeah. Unless it's running. Sometimes it's running up like a good amount. Like just if it breaks opening range high and stuff like that, and it starts running up, then you're gonna start seeing people coming, volume coming in, calls coming in, the premium start moving on those like that. So right now we're in a spot where it's just gonna be between some levels. I think was it 45.60 to 46.20, 46.30.
You just got over the VWAP. Finally.
It's in action right now.
Yeah, MU is gonna go here.
SPS coming back touchdown against a BMA. Looks like it or trend.
And seeing the movement of these stocks that I'm following, I'm kind of glad that I'm out for today.
I'm glad I'm still in MU. Other than that, though, I'm very done for the day. I'm up like 11% on the day.
Nice. I have the ad MU. I don't even think I have it on my watch list. Which contract are you in?
So I'm in an 84 call, and I have some 90 call lottos for earnings tomorrow. Actually, yeah, I'm up 12% on the day.
Nice. Oh, I see. They're just grinding this thing up. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, MU is hard for me to trade. It just goes slow.
Yeah, it's been a rough trade, that's for sure.
Yeah, that's why I don't trade like MU. Like I would like that's why I did LRCX because I'm playing that as a lotto because if they guide up, then they're gonna need more equipment, and then LRCX makes money. That money is gonna go towards the semis. You know, LRCX, ASML, CLAC, AMAT. I know MU uses LRCX, so that's what would go up if they guide up. So I'm playing that lotto just as a guide up lotto, just but it also depends. Like I don't know how this what they say about neon gas if it's going to be a problem or not. That's why it's a lotto play. I don't know. There's no, you know. So if this whole Ukraine war thing going on, and they say that we have no gas now, then everything guides down.
What was your fill on that contract? The 80?
The 80s? 90s, you mean? Or the 84?
Or 84, that's what you said. The 84. Gotcha.
My fill on the 84 is not great. It's 225. But my fill on the 90s are 74. So I'm actually break even right now on MU. Or I'm up a little bit.
Got it. Okay.
My original fill on the 90s was in the 60s, but I bought more.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Right, that dollar.
it's right back down to VMA, like I said.
I know it feels so weird. Like I don't know, or do you feel like there's so much like I mean it's bullish, obviously, like crazy, but it's almost like it doesn't. I don't know. I just feel like there's like gonna have like this, like there's a rug pull somewhere in here. I don't know. That's
But I don't think it's gonna crash or anything. SPX. I think SPX goes up to 4,700 first. Goes back to 4,700 before they start coming down hard, and we're gonna get bearish again. Right now because look at the whole week how it's been running. We already know what the Fed's gonna do. Like
Yeah.
so whatever they speak now say it doesn't really matter no more because they're not breaking the market below more than 20 points down. Really, it's not even going 50 points down. So everything has been running up, up, up. So these little pullbacks is nothing. Like you could only be in a putt for like about like what, a couple of minutes and just to see, and then it pulls back up. They did that yesterday. Did that doing that today, and these little pullbacks. And that's why if you use VMA, you can just play it off there. Like I won't go into a putt unless I know confirmation that's really below the VMA on the 5 minute and even on the 200 ticks. So that's why I can't counter trade against that. But I think the market's going to go back up, or still go up. That's why I'm taking a chance. I'll risk. I see Tesla's been running. Shop is running. Amazon and Google running. These things are moving. Fang is moving. So Netflix is moving. We're bullish. And until SPX hits 4,700, then I might turn a little bearish, and then we see. So It's not even about too much about the war now because the news is out with the war already. We already know what else is going to know about the war. We already put sanctions on Russia. We already know oil prices is just they're controlling oil prices right now. So inflation is inflation. So what's different? Like what's going to really pull the market down? So it's the market makers controlling the market right now.
Yeah, I'm with you on that, man. I've been playing SPY, and like anytime I play a put, it's like 20, 30 minutes. Definitely can't stay in them things long at all.
So until SPX breaks below 50 points down, I'm staying bullish.
Yeah.
MU broke above the value area.
Look at the oh shit! I forgot to put a fill in for the 1200 Tesla call again at 375. Shit.
There you
Crazy.
go.
And it just barely just got to 3.8. All right, so I didn't have a 375. I mean, I popped up from
Here
there.
goes MU.
Yeah. Looking good.
Yep. Shorty's original entry on MU was a retest of 81 today. That didn't happen though.
So the Amazon 3520s, I have a buy order still at 476. I might change to 480 just to see if I could get a fill. But it's at 520 now. So I can anticipate a bounce because it's around that level, 476. So the low today on the 435.20s was $4.28, right? That's how much the premiums of the lowest price it sold for, the 35.20. So I got a 475 fill. I might bump it up to $5, I think, because it went up high. It went back to $7. So it's another $2 gain they could do on a bounce. But I don't know if he's gonna fill me less. It's at 540, 575. Ask now. The bid is 545. Those Tesla 1200s, he didn't bring it down to 375 this time. Popped right back up to 4.2. Then we see. Let's see.
What's your target on the MU?
Dude, I have it charted. Where is it? So we have a skinny belly all the way up to 89.
Oh, I see. Okay.
I don't know that that'll happen today, but with earnings, but again, that's like strictly lotto.
Right.
So that's what I'm doing. I have the 84 call and then I have the 90 call. I'll be selling the 84s and all of my 90s, except for one, I'll leave as a lotto.
Yeah, I'm starting to use the ThinkOrSwim charts a lot more now. I mean, the option charts, that's a game changer. Being able to see
Yeah.
like it sucks that TradingView doesn't have that, but it's all good.
I just wish we could combine TradingView and TOS.
I know, right? Like add it at the so you can execute trades. Yeah.
Oh no,
That
I'm
would
saying like switch TOS's charting to TradingView, but then
Oh.
leave all the features that TOS has.
Right. TradingView with active trader.
That would be dope.
Yeah.
I should have had that 35.20 for $5. Would have got filled. Shit. Oh, all right, whatever. Maybe I catch it later. See if it comes down on SPX.
If you can clear this $81 area,
Yep.
be good for you. Yeah.
Yeah, we're right at a POC.
Yeah.
What is it? 8109, I think. Yeah. We need to get above that and should be rippy.
I'll be back, guys. I gotta get something to drink.
But even if we trade sideways for the rest of the day here on MU, the Ivy alone, I'll make money off of.
Right.
Yeah, it's rejected that POC like 3 times now.
Beautiful though, adding this stuff onto it, because prior to POCs in my life, I was like flying blind.
Yeah. You can chill with that red candle, MU.
Dude, it's me. I always say, man, when these all the ones I watch are like, bringing it down is no problem. Red candles through VWAP, it doesn't even matter. POC.
You're right, yeah.
But try to break them to the upside, you're like, damn, why can't I get that same love?
Mm-hmm. I feel you.
Yeah, man. It's got no problems breaking through anything on the downside. Because that's just how it feels every time.
Yeah, you're right. I'm so disconnected from this trade, though. I mean, of course, I want to close it out green, but whatever. It is what it is at this point. I made my profits for the day. This is just the icing on the cake.
I hear you, though. Like, there is something fulfilling about being able to close out of your trades, like, and be profitable and just have everything.
Yeah.
Like, closed, nothing open. Yeah. I like those days, too.
I mean, right now, I'm profitable. Like, my 84 calls are down, but because of my 90 calls, I'm above break even on MU. But it'd be nice to close everything out in the green.
Yeah.
So my trade log for the day is all green.
Yeah, that's the way to do it. That's how today, like, I don't mind swinging if I'm pretty confident in my thing, but it's just definitely relief where get out and everything's up and you're like, okay,
Yeah.
today was a good day.
I wouldn't mind swinging the 84s if it wasn't earnings, but yeah, it's too much money to risk.
Yeah.
And
I'm
see,
just like,
what you're saying was true. That red candle flew, and now this green candle is like constipated.
Yeah, dude. Every time I'm in a trade, and it's always when I'm in them. Yeah, maybe they can move like outside, but like whenever I'm in them, I'm like, damn, like the rock, like the Great Wall of China or something, trying to get through this thing.
Yeah. But we are also forming a bull flag, so. Or bullpen it.
Yeah. PayPal's looking a little interesting too. I mean, I'm out for the day, but it might want to make that move. We'll see. Or it might just reject like it likes to do every time it gets to that inflection point.
Is anyone playing SPX today?
I'm out for today. I got no more ammo.
If you look at the 4650 calls, they're just like oscillating between 3.5 and 5.35, like all day.
Yeah, they like to do that too to bleed contracts.
I mean, it's been a pretty choppy day, all in all.
I just swinged once because I was like 80% sure, and luckily, the moment I got off, and then there was a big red candle. Like the next morning, I'm like, yeah, screw it.
Yeah. It does look interesting now. It looks cool. And
Does Caddy still hold hood, or is she out?
I don't know. Yeah, it seems like everyone went too much, man. They turn off the algos and like everyone.
Dude, Johnny the intern needs to take the reins.
Yeah. Wow.
Well, if this flag plays out on MU, it should take us to 81.40.
Yeah, setup wise, it looks like it should go.
Yeah, it's getting there. Just need volume to start trickling in. So basically, it's going to happen at noon. Oh, it's about to break that flag.
I think tomorrow I'm gonna be looking at those PayPal's, 125. Does someone get into any PayPal?
Me.
Whoever acts on. If it holds his level for the rest of the day.
Oh, MU.
Lunch break myself. I'll be back.
All right.